How long should I hold down the reset button on my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Hello, in this video, we're going to discuss a common maintenance task for Whirlpool refrigerators. Specifically, how to properly reset your Whirlpool refrigerator. It's a simple process, but there are some key steps to remember.
What is the purpose of resetting?
Resetting your Whirlpool refrigerator is a way to restore the appliance to its default settings. This can be useful if the refrigerator is not functioning properly, or if some of the settings have been changed and you're not sure how to change them back.
How to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator.
Now let's get into the details of how to actually reset your refrigerator. 1. Locate the reset button on your refrigerator. This is usually found on the inside of the refrigerator, often on the control panel. 2. Once you've located the button, you'll want to press and hold this button. 3. The time for holding the reset button varies between models. But as a rule of thumb, you should hold the reset button down for about 15 seconds. 4. After you've held the button down, release it. Your refrigerator should now be reset. Please note, always refer to your refrigerator's user manual. Some models might have a different resetting procedure.
What if the reset button doesn't work?
Sometimes, you might find that the reset button doesn't seem to work. This could be due to a variety of reasons, from a temporary power glitch to a more serious electrical issue. If you've tried the reset process several times and your refrigerator is still not functioning properly, it's best to contact a professional or the Whirlpool customer service for further assistance. And that's it. You've now learned how to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator. Remember, this is a simple process, but it can be very helpful in ensuring your refrigerator runs smoothly. If you have any problems or questions, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional or your refrigerator's manufacturer. We hope this video was helpful and wish you luck with your appliance maintenance.